We're going to mix it all together. This is the most beautiful stir fry you've ever came across on the internet. And look how beautiful. It's a shrimp stir fry with spaghetti, not noodles. Spaghetti is different from noodles. Cover it halfway. It does not. I'm gonna go ahead and put in my oil to fry my shrimp inside. Likes it very crispy. So we're gonna try and make it very crispy. This is a very, I'm gonna cover it back half. You see that? And put my onions in there to saute it. My husband said no garlic, so we're not going with garlic today. It's gonna really. The carrot is in there. We're gonna just saute it. Cabbage. We'll go ahead in the cabbage and the onion. We're gonna saute it. You can add eggs, however you. I'm gonna go ahead and add in the rest of my vegetables. Once everything in, I'm gonna go ahead and use my special seasoning. Just Maggi mo onga. Okay, but I'm gonna use half of it to season up. This is how it's looking. I'm very sure it tastes amazing. I don't have to even taste it. Once I strain it like this, I'm gonna go ahead and transfer it into the pasta. Wow. And I'll come back again. Just like this. I did not drain the pasta. Go from here to there. You guys are missing out. You guys are not. We're going to mix it all together. This is the most beautiful stir fry you've ever came across on the internet. It has a, you see how beautiful it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and toss our shrimps on top of it. And look how beautiful. This is shrimp stir fry with spaghetti, not noodles. Spaghetti is different from noodles. The beautiful stir fry you've ever. It has a ton of flavor and it tastes amazing. So we are all done. We are all done with our stir fry and it's time to serve. We're gonna serve our stir fry. Is anybody hungry? We are not gonna bother him first. And it's loaded with a ton of shrimps, a ton of vegetables. John, your food is ready. It looks very good and yummy.